Namaste everyone. I Ranjan Dakal welcome all of you to the Distance Learning Center of Best Montessori Elementary School. I am here with the topic mixer from the chemistry, one of the branches of science. Now let's get into mixer. Today we will learn the mixer, what are its types and what are the characteristics of the mixer. Let's get started first with the basic concept of mixture. There are many types of substances in our daily life, and substances, all of those substances, they are not pure. Most of the substances, they are the mixture of other substances. Now this mixture is the substance that is made up of two or more pure substances, like elements, compounds. It may be the mixture of element and compound. If we talk about an example of mixture, air is the mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor, and there are other many gases too. And in a mixture, the components of the mixture, that means the substance which are mixed, they can be mixed in any proportions. Moving on to another example, our human blood, our blood is a very good example of a mixture. It contains oxygen, it contains different cells, it contains different nutrients, it contains different antibodies to fight against a disease. Now the figure here we can see elements. The first type of, there are two types in its headings. In elements, the first rectangular box shows that it only contains one type of atom, that is on, and the second also it only contains one types of atom. There are two elements. Now these two elements, they combine in a fixed proportion and they form a compound. Here in the first case, let's look at the combining of molecules. The molecules are same everywhere. Let's see in both of the boxes. The molecules in first box, first compound are same. There are 4 molecules. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are same. 1, 2, 3, 4. All those molecules are same. But in case of mixer, the molecules present in the mixtures are not same. Look at these molecules. Let's compare these molecules. They are not same, but they have been mixed. The difference between elements, compounds, and mixture according to their components. I think you are clear with the picture taken here. Moving on to the characteristics of mixture. Now first, made up of 2 or more pure substances. Second, the constituents or components of a mixer, that means substance which are mixed. It can be mixed in any proportion, it may be present in any proportion. A glass of water and a spoon of sugar, if we mix them, it is also a sugar solution. Mixture of sugar and water. Similarly, a bucket of water and just a glass of sugar, it is also a solution. If we compare those two cases, the constituent of the mixture, they can be in any proportion. Now the property of the mixture, it is dependent, or it depends upon the properties of the components, what kind of components are mixed up. And fourth, those components of the mixture, they can be separated, and those separations are by physical method. Most of them are by simple physical methods. These are the 4 characteristics of mixtures. Now let's move on to the types of mixture. Now on the basis of how the components are mixed, there are 2 types of mixtures. The first one is homogeneous and the second one is heterogeneous mixture. Now what homogeneous mixture is? The compositions and properties of all the component, they are same, they have uniform. Or simply we can say the type of mixture where we cannot see the components through our naked eye. We cannot see. Let's mix salt and water. After mixing up, can we see the salt in water? Milk and water, can you differentiate it? Where milk is and where water is? These type of mixture are homogeneous mixture. Whereas if we can distinguish the components with our naked eye, that kind of mixture they are called heterogeneous mixture. If we mix sand and water, we can see through our eyes, this is sand and this is water. Pebbles and rice, we can see with our eye, pebbles present in the rice. Oil and water, and in this type of mixture, they do not have uniform compositions and properties, same compositions and properties. The chart shows the difference of presence of components in heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. In the first heterogeneous mixture, the molecules, they are separately standing, they are not completely mixed in. That's why we can separate, we can see through our naked eyes. In homogeneous mixture, they are uniformly distributed, equally all over. If we mix sugar in water, then sugar is dissolved equally into all the molecules of the water. We can find the difference through this picture clearly. In the next video, I will join you with the processes of separations of mixture. Today what we studied is mixture. What is a mixture? General concept. What are the characteristics of the mixture? What are their types and differences between heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture? Their examples. Till I join again, I hope you all stay safe. Have a good time ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.